All right, Zoe Project. I am here with one of my dearest friends, and Pastor Hermes, which we'll introduce him. He is the pastor in the village where my son Tegan is from, and he has been with Zoe Project from the very beginning of the school, and I'm so glad to have him here. So, Jürgen, if you just have Pastor Hermes introduce himself and let him just share with him what he does within Chancho and his role here.
ስለዚህ መጀመሪያ ራስዎትን ያስተዋውቁ ከዛ ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር ያሉት ኃላፊነት ምንድነው?
ስሜ ፓስተር ኤርሚያስ አሳራው ይባላል። ጫንጮ ቃልዮት ቤተክርስቲያን እዚህ ጋር ያለው ኃላፊነት ዞ ፕሮጀክት ይሄን የፓስተሩ ስልጣና ካስጀመረ በኋላ አራት ክራስቴል አለ። አራቱንም ክራስቴል በመዞር ፎቶ በማንሳት ማሴቶችን በማዳረስ ና አገለግላለሁ። ከዛ ደግሞ
So my name is Pastor Ermias. So I am in the Kalahewat Church here in Chancho, and my role is that to supervise the 4 groups of the Bible study. So I just hand books to them, and then I also take pictures and then send it back to them.
He does more than that because he helps with the school. So tell the people that are watching, what has Zoe Project meant to Chancho Village, to the people in Chancho Village, and now to the broader community from his perspective.
ስለዚህ አንተ አሁን እነዚህ የጫንጮ ዞይ ፕሮጀክት እዚህ አካባቢ ያለው ያመጣው ነገር ጥቅሙ ምንድነው? ላንተ ለግል እዚህ ጋር ላሉት ጫንጮ ላሉትና ለአካባቢው በዙሪያ በጫንጮ ዙሪያ ላሉት ነገር
ከሁሉ በማስቀደም በጌታ በኢየሱስ ክርስቶስም የዞ ፕሮጀክትን በጣም አመሰግናለሁ። እግዚአብሔር አምላክ አብስቶ ይባርካችሁ። የተገኘው ለውጥ ተነግሮ የማያልቅ ነው። እግዚአብሔርን ማመስገን ነው። በህዝቡ ዘንድ በወላጅ አልባ ህጻናት ዘንድ በመራው ዘንድ በእኔ ህይወት የኔ ህይወት እንደዛ አልነበረም መጀመሪያ።
So here the Zoe Project means a lot to our community and to Chancho. So personally and then to the orphan kids as well. So it means a lot.
ስለዚህ ለውጥ ያመጣው በዚህ በልጆች ላይ ያለው ልጆች በጣም ለውጥ አለ። እኛ ጫንቾ አካባቢ ማይመረሰቡም በጣም ለውጥ አለ። ንጽህናን ተምሯል። ትምህርትን በጣም እየተማሩ ናቸው። ከዛ በመቀጠል እዚህ ደግሞ ባይብል ላይ ሲናይ ከጀመረው ከ6 ወር እስካሁን ድረስ ባለው ዞሬ በሚያየው በጣም ነው ያሻሻሉት። እኔ ራሴ ድሮ በልምድ ነበር የምናገለግለው መጽሐፍ ቅዱስ ትርጉም ትክክል አንሰጥም። አሁን በሰርግ በቤተክርስቲያን በለቅሶ ላይ ከዚህ ስልጣና በኋላ ሲሰጥ የነበረው አገልግሎት ትልቅ ለውጥ አለ።
So Zoe Project has done a lot to the kids, to the orphan kids here. In terms of the health, in terms of their hygiene, so they have learned to clean their hands and then learn, and then in terms of their education, and then when I talk about the Bible study, so this Bible study has changed a lot, even personally, and then to the community. So myself personally, I used to teach traditional way, so I was interpreting the Bible in a wrong way. But after this training, I am getting more experience, and then I'm trying to teach and then interpret and then give the message of God to the people the right way. So we do this one in the wedding ceremony, in the funeral ceremony, and then when people are gathered.
So Pastor Hermes, I just want you to know how an inspiration you are to me. Zoe Project would not exist if it wasn't for this man, and we are so grateful for him. And I continue to pray blessings on you, and when I am gone from here, I miss you when I'm home. So.
ስለዚህ ከልብ አመሰግናለሁ ስላንተም አንተ ፕሮጀክት ዞይ ፕሮጀክት እዚህ አይቀጥልም ነበር ፓስተር ኤርሚያስ አንተ ባትኖር ኖሮ። ስለዚህ አንተ እዚህ በመኖርህ ነው ብዙ ነገር እዚህ ጋር እየቀየርን ያለ ነው። ስለዚህ ጸልይልሃለሁ፣ ብዙ ነገር አረጋለሁ። ሲሄድ ደግሞ ትናፍቀኛለህ።
All of this that's happening is large part
እዚህ ጋር እያጋጠመ ያለው ባንተ
ብዙ ቻሌንጆችን እኔ ብቻ አይደለም ፓትሪክን በጣም ነው የታገሰ። መስቀል በጥስ እስከሚሉ ድረስ መድረክ ላይ በጣም ስለ ፓትሪክ ልክ እንደ ኢየሱስ ክርስቶስ ራሱን አዋርደው ዝቅ አድርጎ ዕውቀት እንደሌላ ሰው ብዙ ያገለግለዋል። ከእኔም ይልቅ በጣም እዚህ ይሄ ፕሮጀክት እንዲንቀሳቀስ ያደረገው ፓትሪክ ነው። በጣም በትዕግስት
So Patrick has done a lot more than me, I would say. So even like in the church, like when they asked him like to remove what he was wearing around his neck that has a cross, and that he humbly did that one. So he acted as if he knows nothing, but he knows a lot. So he has faced so many challenges, but he tried his best to overcome the challenge and then make it a success. So I am very much thankful.
Thank you, Pastor Hermes. We love you. All right.
እናመሰግናለን።